In this video, you are going to see how to activate Mcafee antivirus. You can buy this pack from Amazon. I provided the best and cheap option link in the description box. Check that. You can see here my subscription has expired. Now I am renewing it. To do that, click on the activate my product key option at the bottom. You will be redirected to this page, or else you can directly go to this link. Make sure you select the right region. Now enter the product key. This key is delivered to your email ID if you purchased from online. Currently, the region is different, that's why it is showing the product was purchased from a different region. Don't worry, click on continue now. It refreshes the page and a green color check mark will appear, which means it is valid. Also, you can see the details of your subscription. I chose a one device protection plan for 3 years. Now enter your email ID that is already there with this Mcafee antivirus. If you are doing it for the first time, you don't need to worry. Just give the email ID so you create an account after this process. Now click on next. Here it will show you more details about your subscription. This is the previous one where I was using that is expired. Make sure to check the dates to avoid confusion. Click on next. Sometimes it will be redirected to the auto renewal page, but we don't need this. Now click on the back button. Now it takes some time and this window will be popped. That's all. Now your subscription has been successfully renewed. If you have an existing account, you can sign in or create a new account with the same email ID that you provided during this process. It takes some time to update the subscription details. Close the application on your laptop or PC, then again open it. Now go to subscription tab. You can see it is updated. So this is how you can renew the Mcafee antivirus. If you think this video is really helpful for you, make sure to click that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips and tricks, followed by gadget reviews and some video editing tips. Also guys, one more help, if in case you are purchasing anything from Amazon, I have an affiliate link in the description box. If you click the link and buy anything from that, I will get some commission. Thank you so much in advance for your support.